cheers. Hot dog, the problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
Wow, we had such a great time taking baby Redbird back home. First, baby Redbird was hungry, so we gave him blueberries to eat.
Yum, 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 yum.
Then he got cold, so we kept baby Redbird warm with a blanket.
Nice and cozy.
And remember, we used a slide to get down to the forest.
Yum, that was fun.
And finally, we found Mommy Redbird in the tallest tree.
And the light man's full of pogo sticks.
What a hot dog day!
Hot dog, diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Stretch out some on the floor. Hot dog, diggity dog. Hot dog, diggity dog. We're splitting the scene. We're full of beats. So long for now from Mickey Mouse. The Mickey Mouse Club.
See you real soon.
On My Friends Tigger and Pooh, the Super Sleuths love helping others. And to celebrate their mystery victories, we're inviting you to a party. A piglet party, that is. It's 5 playful piglet days, including an all-new My Friends Tigger and Pooh. Join us for My Friends Tigger and Pooh Piglet Party, starting next Monday at 8, 7 Central on Playhouse Disney. A hunt for treasure leads to a sticky trap by the web. Can Rocket's trick save the day? Spider race! It's Spider race!